Good evening, rail fans. Welcome back to Mr. Wabash's Rail Tube channel. Today's date is May 23rd, 2024. And today, we're in Deshler, Ohio. There goes the signals. I can hear the roar. Here goes the roar. CSX! Here it goes! Ooh, there's a CSX Intermodal train! This will be train 212. 212 is from Selkirk, New York to Chicago, Illinois. Intermodal freight train. There it goes. He's bound for Chicago, Illinois. It's this really short one. Well, subscribe for more videos. If you like this video, please make sure you hit the like button. Leave a comment, share with your friends. And also, you can leave the notification for new videos. And also, you can take this trip to Deshler Crossroads Park. Oh, I hear the roar. And also, you can take any trains anywhere you want. And also, you can find this great tower where it's placed right besides buildings on streets. Well, everyone, thanks so much for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the next video. Okay, bye.